Hi everybody, welcome back to 8 BHK Realty, Odisha's homegrown buying, selling and renting platform. Today we are at the 19th Property Expo and in the booth of Archid Builders. I will ask Kavita to introduce the brand, what projects they have bought here, and over to you.
Yeah, myself Kavita. So I'm working in as a marketing executive in Archid Builders. So our brand has over the in Odisha 17 years ago. So we started our project like we completed almost 25 plus projects. Now we have come up with Archid Elite, which is located in Patia, and our ongoing project is Archid Mary. It's in Burbil, which is located near fire station. So these are the two projects we are exploring today for the event.
Can you tell me a little more detail about what are the configuration available in Archid Elite and also in Archid Mary? What are the price point from which it starts?
So Archid Elite is completely a single story apartment where you have a find a luxurious things. In the stilt you have a coffee shop and reception area, and 1 to 8 floors are the residential units where you have 3.5 and 4.5, and you don't have any common wall between 3.5 and 4.5, and you have 9th and 10th are the penthouses, and 11th floor is completely full of the amenities where you have a gym, swimming pool and community hall and all these things. And coming to Archid Mary, so this is the G plus 5. So in this you have only 2 BHK and 1 BHK with the minimum requirement of the amenities we have, like lift and all these things are there, solar thing.
And what is the price point of 1 BHK and 2 BHK?
So this price is starting from 5,200 per square foot, and price is starting from 9,000 per square foot.
What is the carpet area in case of Archid Mary?
So in Archid Mary we have 6 types of 2 BHK and 1 type of the 1 BHK.
What's the minimum carpet area of 2 BHK?
842 is a 2 BHK. Yeah.
And what about
This carpet
Elite?
is like 1361 for the 3.5, and 4.5 will be for 1641.
Guys, if you want more details, you can visit our website 8bhk.com or call us at 977-630-8000, or you can come down today. The event is till 5th of April, so you can visit their stall and learn more about their projects. Thank you so much.